This video is sponsored by FontLab.
Hey there, CreativePro friends. Khara Plicanic here, and today I'm going to show you how to create text columns in InDesign. So here we have a document with a text frame, and we've got some overset type, which we can see by this little red plus right here. I've also got the document set up with my margins and columns that I chose from the layout menu by choosing margins and columns. And I set my margins up here, and I set the number of columns to 2, just so I can see where I want to place my text frames. So there's a couple ways to do this. One, we can just simply click to select the overflow type, and we could create a column here like this. And when we let go, we get text column, and then we could click again, the overset type, and we could make another column here. And then these frames, all of these frames would be threaded together so that if we delete a bunch of text from one, they all flow and readjust. So that's one way to do it, but I can also delete all those. And if we click the overflow spout again, we can come over here and just create one frame. And then we can either come up here in the control panel and split that into 2, or we can right click and choose text frame options. You'll notice the keyboard shortcut is Command or Control B. And I remember that because changing these options makes the text frame better. So we're going to make it better by pressing Command or Control B. And in here, we can choose the number of columns. We can click to enable the preview, of course. That's handy. And we can adjust the gutter and all kinds of other things as well. And then we'll go ahead and click OK. So let's do that over here with this frame that still has just one column. So I'm going to select it. We'll use that great shortcut, Command or Control B, to make it better. Split it into 2 columns and then click OK. And oh no, what has it done to our headline here? This is a common issue. And then you may think, okay, well, now I need to just pull this text out and make another frame that spans both of the columns up here for the headline. But there's another way, and that is to select this text. And with that selected, we can go way over here in the control panel to all the extra stuff. And there's something in here called span columns. And of course, you can do this with paragraph styles. What we're looking for is span columns. And then we tell this text to span however many columns are in that text frame. And look at that. Now it will just stretch across all of it, and we'll click OK. So obviously we would want to set up paragraph styles for all of this text, but that is a look at how you can create multiple columns and thread the text frames together, or you can take a single frame of text and make it better by splitting it into multiple columns. I'm Khara Plicanic, and I hope this tutorial makes you feel groovy the next time you're working with text frames in InDesign.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.